Snatch Squad? It is your girl Celeste Janae, and I am back with another video. And today I have Passion Twist. So yeah. Oh. Anyways, I don't know what that was about, y'all. Yeah, my hair is different. I got some Passion Twists. I really like them. I've had them in for about 2 weeks. This video has nothing to do with hair, by the way. I just decided to talk about it because I was just thinking about my hair because they were sliding out. And anyways, it's a whole, that don't even matter. I'm gonna do a whole story on it because clearly I had to learn how to do these myself. I got these done and they came out the same day. So I had to figure out how to do it myself, and I'm gonna do a video on it. So I was just thinking about that, but that's gonna do with this video. So anyways, I'm gonna stop talking because y'all already know your girl can talk forever, and I'm gonna get to the video. So today, I am doing some unboxing on some things that I have been sent by a few companies. So this should have been done weeks ago, but your girl has been, you know, I've been quarantining. So we're gonna do this because, you know, yeah. So let's get started. The first thing that was sent to me, oh, actually both of these were sent to me from, I think the company's called Renpho. I think that's how you pronounce it, R-E-N. I know the PHO is pho because I love getting pho, like the soup, the Vietnamese soup, Vietnamese. I can't say it, but y'all know what I mean. Pho. So it says Renpho, I think. So anyways, this company, they have a lot of like fitness stuff. They have a lot of everything, but they're mostly fitness. They were gonna send me a scale, but I was just like, honestly, y'all, like, I think my viewers are tired of seeing scales. Like, first off, I'm tired of reviewing scales. One of the things I'm reviewing is the scale. But after this, I'm not doing any more scale reviews. Like, at the end of the day, it's a scale. Get on it, it tells you your weight. Like, I know y'all are tired. Like, I'll take the scales to do giveaways, but reviewing scales, it's a wrap. Not doing that anymore. So yeah, so the first thing they sent me, oh, I was telling y'all that because I'm already getting distracted. They were gonna send me a scale, more fitness stuff, but they had like sold out or whatever. They're like, oh, well, can we send you this and this instead? I'm gonna show you the other thing that I'm touching. And I was like, sure, that's fine, whatever. So yes, Renpho, the first thing they sent me was a water flosser. Y'all probably like, girl, what does that have to do with your channel? Lifestyle, honey, lifestyle. Brushing your teeth is very important. Good oral hygiene, because nobody wants funky breath. I haven't opened all this stuff. It's me opening for the first time on camera. So yes, let's get this open. It's a, ooh, has a little case. Okay, y'all better be fancy. And I'll put the links to all the stuff in the description. Y'all already know I'll put that. Because I don't know the prices off the top of my head, and it doesn't have price on here. No, it just says what it's called. It's called the Cordless Water Floss. I don't think y'all want to see me use this on camera. That's kind of weird. Oh Lord, girl. Breaking stuff. This like legit, I feel like I'm like at the dentist's office. This is pretty cool. These things be getting caught on everything. Ugh. Okay. So, and this video might be a little bit long, so if you don't want to see a long video, please press off now. This looks really cool. I think it needs batteries. Does it need batteries? No, it has a USB cable charger. Oh, it goes right here. You can charge it. So yeah, I guess you put water in here. It has, oh, it's actually working. Oh my God. How do I turn it? Oh, it has different little levels. Y'all can't really see. It has different little pulse levels. This is how you turn it off, okay. And it has little different heads. Let me pull one of these heads out. This is really cool because I have this new toothbrush that I brought on Amazon, and it's like, it has a timer, so you make sure you brush your teeth for 2 minutes. How cool. This really looks like dentist stuff. Ooh, I'm gonna have some really pretty teeth for the summer, for my birthday, even though we're gonna be quarantining. Oh, this is the USB charger. Oh, and this is the charger, the battery pack. I probably should have like went through this. I think it's better to like open it on camera for the first time because you guys get to see the truest reaction like I do. So anyways, oh, this is the instructions. Yeah. So basically, as you can see, it's just a flosser with water. Like the one you get in the dentist when they be flossing it with the water. It's supposed to be better. Has different little time sensors. So yeah, you guys should try it out if you're looking for a flosser. Honestly, I'm pretty sure, I don't know the prices off the top of my head, but I'm sure like nothing is more than $30. So, and then I think y'all have a discount code too. So you should try it out. I'm gonna try it out. So yeah. Thank you, Renpho. Actually, this is from Renpho too. Now this one I'm excited about. This is a vibrating foam roller. So this one's easy to open. This is so cool. First off, I really needed a foam roller. So when they were like, we can send you that, I was like, shoot. Foam rollers are not cheap. Good ones aren't at that. And then they actually work. So this one's kind of big. Ooh, you can hear it vibrating. It's a little button right here. Ooh, yes, you better have 4 different levels of vibration. Ooh, y'all. First off, I'm just gonna be laying on this for my back, like, ooh, she like this. And it's really sturdy too. So, you know it's gonna be good when you like roll your body on it. I'm excited about this one. Oh, it's a USB charger too. Wow, this company is really smart because like batteries would be dying fast. Like I like stuff I can just plug into the wall. So yeah, this is really cool. Really like this. And it's hard. I like them hard because I like them to be firm. So when I roll on it, it really gets into the muscle. So yes, thank you for that. We love that. Next, this is from Path Earth. Let me turn around. These are weightlifting straps. So I haven't gotten a chance to use them because as you guys know, the world is like literally coming to the end and the gyms are shut down. But I was like, this is really cool because look how it like wraps around the hand and the wrist. Because that's honestly one thing that bothers me when I was like able to go to the gym before all this stuff happened. My wrist would be hurting all the time. So you wrap it around. Oh, it has little tabs for right and left too. So this is right. Oh, here we go. Oh, you put it through here. Okay. Y'all see me struggling. Maybe I shouldn't have did this on camera for the first time. Okay. So you put it around your wrist. You tighten it like that. See? And then you put it through your hand. And then like that. So when you're lifting, y'all, is there instructions in here? Okay, thank you. Oh, okay, so I did do this wrong. Well, not really, because this is supposed to go around the bar. So you lift, it's covering your hand too. Which is good because it's really thick. Because like I've been getting some really bad calluses lately from lifting. So yeah, pretty excited to use this honestly. When the gym opens back up. When Miss Corona wants to go back to where she came from and leave us Americans alone. Any day now, Miss Corona girl, you can leave. Trust, we're ready for you to go. So yes. The next thing, I need scissors to open this. This is something edible, so you know, this is from a company that I when I was doing keto. I haven't been on keto in a while. When I started the 90-day challenge, I stopped doing keto to do the diet plan that the 90-day challenge required. So, and update on 90-day challenge, guys, we had to end it 3 weeks early because of Corona. So Miss Corona ruined something else. Oh, trifling out. I'm sorry, but she did. So we're gonna have to like, anyways, I don't even want to talk about it. It's just gonna make me upset. So anyways, I am a brand ambassador for this company. So they sent me their new flavor. This is Mocha Cappuccino. I'm gonna try it on camera because I'm real like that. Their food is really good. But what I really like about it, it's granola, but it's low carb granola. I normally don't really like mocha, like coffee and stuff, but that doesn't taste bad. Only has 4 grams of carbs, which is really good if you're doing keto. Or even if you just want to, it says ketogenic, low carb, gluten free, and soy free. So it offers a lot. It's a this is a small company in Atlanta, so like they actually hand make everything and ship it out to you. So like you should definitely support. Their stuff is really good. You can follow them, Lollies Cookie Clusters. Follow them on Instagram. I have a discount code that I'll give you for this if you ever want to try it out. They always have a lot of sales too. I have some other flavors in my cabinet, just so you guys know that like I actually like use this stuff. I brought these myself. So these are the ones that I like, the cinnamon pecan. And there's a pumpkin spice one too, but I ate all that. I brought a lot because you can freeze them. They last for a while. So if they have a sale, go ahead and get a few flavors. You can freeze them. They're really good. And I think they don't use regular sugar. If I remember correctly, stevia blend. So yeah, it's pretty good. Now the last thing we have is a scale, y'all. I know y'all probably like, Celeste girl, this is literally the 5th scale you have reviewed. I know. But just think about it, the more scales I get, the more scales I can give away. So it's a win-win for y'all, you know? So yes, this scale is by InvaFit. It's by InvaFit. You guys have already seen this scale before. I did a vlog and I showed you this scale, but I'm just gonna do a more in-depth unboxing of this scale. Like I said, it is a Wi-Fi scale. Sorry. Wi-Fi scale. It has an app. Honestly, guys, here's the app. It's pretty like much. It does I can't even talk. It does body composition, multiple users. This is the boxes I'm reading, and it has a 5-year warranty. This is the app. Let me open it up. I don't want my weight to show. Okay, well, I haven't weighed myself in 2 weeks, so this weight wouldn't even be accurate anyways. But it lets you put your weight goal, your body fat goal, and you like kind of can personalize your thing. I'm trying to, oh, it's covered, whatever. Y'all can see my weight. It's not even that deep anymore. So this is kind of how the app goes. The only thing I don't like about this scale is that it collaborates every time you step on it. So you step on it, it's gonna show 0, then you can step on it. And so it takes so long to do that, like, and the app has to be open for it to like kind of register the weight to save it, and that's just kind of annoying for me. But that's just, I'm very impatient. So, you know, like I said, it's a scale, guys. If you're looking for a scale, you need a scale, I would recommend this scale. It does body weight, body mass, body fat, subcutaneous fat, I don't know what that is, body water, skeletal muscle mass, bone mass, protein, metabolic age. It does everything and it tracks it, so it's really good for tracking. So yeah, I would definitely recommend that scale. That is everything that I have, you guys. I normally have a lot more stuff, but your girl has been like declining to do product reviews, honestly, because I'm just like, some of this stuff you guys aren't interested in. I want to make sure that the stuff that I do review are things that you'll actually be interested in. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys later. Bye.